Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'll be talking about sizing your printable wall arts to be able to sell them on Etsy. Sizing your digital wall art could be quite confusing if you don't know the right ratios and dimensions and where to start. Selling your printable wall arts in the wrong dimensions will cost you lots of problems and bad reviews. So in this video I'm going to share with you what I've learned during my research when I first started selling wall arts, so you are not going to have blurry and pixelated images even when people print them at large scale. I will go over what ratios should you offer, what size should your files be in inches and also in pixels, how to calculate them, what is DPI, and everything about the sizes. And actually I learned everything by watching videos like this one and spying on competitor listings to see what sizes they are offering, what ratios they are offering, how they structure everything, and so on. So with that being said, let's get straight to the slides. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. So during my research I found that there are 5 common ratios that most of the Etsy sellers are using. These ratio files are 2x3, 3x4, 4x5. This one is international paper size, or also known like ISO file. And there is a one special ratios that is in inches, 11x14. So any ratio have different dimensions, and here you can see 2x3 ratios, they have 6x4, this is sizes in inches, 6x4 inches, 4x6 inches, 6x9 inches, 8x12, 10x15, 12x18, 16x24, 20x30, and 24x36. 3x4 ratio includes 6x8, 9x12, 12x16, 15x20, and 18x24. 4x5 ratio includes 8x10, 12x15, and 16x20. International paper size includes A5, A4, A3, A2, A1, and so on. And here I make a screenshot and you can see the sizes in inches. And I will explain this, I'm going to use A1 because it's the biggest one, and it's going to be 23.4 inches by 33.1 inches. So the last one is 11x14 ratios, and this is the same size in inches. So if you think that you need to create all of them, this is completely wrong. You need to decide which is the bigger one, the bigger size that you want to offer, and create just this one because they can scale in smaller sizes. So in this instance, for 2x3 ratios, we're going to use 24x36 inches. For 3x4 ratios, we're going to use 18x24 inches. For 4x5 ratios, we're going to use 16x20 inches. For international paper size, we're going to use, as we can see here, A1 size. And for 11x14 ratios, we're going to use 11x14 inches. So what is DPI? DPI stands by dots per inch or pixels per inch, and this is printing quality measurement. If you want to print in high quality, you need 300 DPI per inch. So this means that any file that you create in inches, if you want to be high quality in pixels, you need to multiply any inch by 300. And here are the examples of our files for wall arts. For 2x3 ratios, which we get the biggest size that we offer, 24x36 inches, in pixels it's going to be 7200 by 10800 pixels. 3x4 ratios is going to be, the inches will be 18 by 24 and the pixels will be 5400 by 7200. So for 4 by 5 radius we are having 16 by 20 inches, and this inches in pixel is going to be 4800 by 6000. 11 by 14 radius is going to be 3300 pixels by 4200 pixels, and ISO I'm going to get the biggest one, A1. You can offer A0, but I prefer A1 because it's big enough. 23.5 inches by 33.1 inches. This means in pixels 7020 by 9930 pixels. I think this is the most important things that we need to know about sizing our digital wall to be ready to sell the wall in Etsy. But let's go one more time through the slides. I'm trying to keep this video very short and straight to the point. So we have 5 radius, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, international paper size, and 11 by 14. For any radius we are offering different sizes, but we are taking the biggest one and creating our files on the biggest one. So we're going to have 5 files and they will be the biggest one, and the customers, they can scale in smaller sizes. So this is the radius and the sizes in inches. This is the screenshot of the ISO file, and we're going to get A1 because it's the biggest in inches, and it's going to be the biggest in pixel if we create the sizes, the files in pixels. So DPI stands by dots per inch, and our files to be high quality we need 300 pixels for any inch. And here we can see the sizes in inches and in pixels. 2 by 3 radius, 3 by 4 radius, 4 by 5 radius, 11 by 14 radius, this is the easy one, and ISO ratio. And in my next videos I'm going to create the files. I will get files from Creative Fabrica ready to use, or I will combine different files to create the wall art. I will also create AI file with Leonardo Eye or with Night Cafe, because I'm using Leonardo and Night Cafe. And after that we need to scale these files, especially from the AI softwares. We need to scale the files or vectorize them to be bigger in size. If you don't know how to vectorize your file, you can check the videos on your right. We're going to create the files. Probably I'm going to use Photopea because it's free. Otherwise I'm using Kittl or Affinity Designer. I'm not using Canva for this because Canva doesn't allow me to manage the DPI, and I'm not quite sure that they offer the biggest sizes in pixels. But this is in my next videos. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.